Hey everyone, and welcome to Design Decoded. I'm so excited to take you on a journey through the world of interior design. Whether you're moving into a new place, finally tackling that renovation, or just want to freshen up your space, finding your design style is the first step. From modern to rustic, we'll explore 10 different styles that can transform your house into a home. Let's get started. Modern design is all about clean lines, functionality, and a sense of simplicity. It's a style that emphasizes the beauty of minimalism, where less is truly more. The focus is on creating a space that feels open, airy, and uncluttered. Every piece of furniture, every decor item has a purpose and a place. There's no room for excess or unnecessary embellishments. It's about creating a serene and harmonious environment that promotes relaxation and peace of mind. Think sleek furniture with minimal fuss, open floor plans, and a neutral color palette. The furniture is often low profile with clean, straight lines and smooth surfaces. Open floor plans are a hallmark of modern design, allowing for a seamless flow between different areas of the home. This creates a sense of spaciousness and connectivity. The neutral color palette, dominated by shades of white, gray, and black, serves as a blank canvas that can be easily personalized with accents and accessories. We're talking whites, grays, blacks, maybe a pop of color if you're feeling bold. These colors create a calm and sophisticated backdrop that can be enhanced with vibrant accents. A single piece of brightly colored furniture or a bold piece of artwork can add a touch of personality and flair to the space. It's all about balance and contrast, using color to highlight and define different areas of the room. Natural light is key here, so big windows are a must. Large windows not only flood the space with light but also create a connection with the outdoors. This brings a sense of nature and tranquility into the home. Skylights and glass doors can also be used to maximize natural light. The goal is to create a bright and inviting atmosphere that feels warm and welcoming. When it comes to materials, think concrete, steel, and natural wood. These materials add texture and depth to the space, creating a sense of contrast and interest. Concrete and steel bring an industrial edge, while natural wood adds warmth and organic beauty. The combination of these materials creates a balanced and harmonious look that is both modern and timeless. Remember, modern design is about living in a space that's both stylish and practical. It's about creating a home that is not only beautiful, but also functional and comfortable. Every element should serve a purpose, whether it's providing storage, seating, or simply adding to the overall aesthetic. The goal is to create a space that reflects your personal style and meets your everyday needs. So embrace the sleek and chic and create a modern home that is truly your own. Contemporary design is all about the now. It's about reflecting current trends and incorporating a mix of styles. Think bold colors, geometric shapes, and statement pieces. Don't be afraid to experiment with different textures and materials. Think velvet, metal, and reclaimed wood. The key to contemporary design is to create a space that feels fresh, exciting, and uniquely you. Minimalist design is about stripping away the unnecessary and embracing simplicity. It's about creating a calm and serene environment. Think clean lines, a limited color palette, and minimal furniture. Everything in a minimalist space should have a purpose. Storage is key here, so think hidden compartments and multifunctional furniture. Remember, in minimalist design, less is definitely more. Chapter 4. Industrial Design, Raw and Unfinished. Welcome to a world where the beauty of imperfection reigns supreme. Industrial design is all about embracing the beauty of raw, unfinished elements. Think exposed brick walls, metal accents, and distressed wood. These elements bring a sense of history and authenticity to a space, making it feel lived in and genuine. The rough textures and rugged materials tell a story of their own, adding depth and character to the environment. This style is inspired by old factories and warehouses, so think high ceilings, open spaces, and large windows. These architectural features not only create a sense of grandeur, but also allow for plenty of natural light to flood the space, enhancing the raw beauty of the materials used. The open layout encourages a sense of freedom and flexibility, making it perfect for modern living. Don't be afraid to incorporate vintage finds and industrial lighting. These elements add a touch of nostalgia and charm, bridging the gap between the past and the present. Reclaimed furniture and decor pieces bring a unique, one-of-a-kind feel to the space. while industrial lighting fixtures with their bold and utilitarian design provide both function and style. Industrial design is about creating a space that feels edgy, urban, and full of character. It's about celebrating the raw, unfinished look and turning it into something beautiful and functional. Whether it's an urban loft or a character-filled industrial space, this design style is all about making a statement and creating an environment that is both stylish and practical. So, embrace the imperfections and let the raw beauty of industrial design transform your space into a unique and inspiring haven. Mid-century modern design is all about the retro vibes. Think iconic furniture pieces with organic shapes, tapered legs, and bold colors. This style is all about bringing the outdoors in, so think large windows, natural light, and plenty of plants. When it comes to materials, think wood, leather, and wool. Mid-century modern design is about creating a space that feels both stylish and timeless. Chapter 6. Scandinavian Design, Cozy Minimalism. Welcome to a world where simplicity meets comfort and every element serves a purpose. Scandinavian design is all about combining functionality with beauty. It's a design philosophy that prioritizes practicality without sacrificing aesthetics. It's about creating a space that's both stylish and cozy. Imagine a home where every piece of furniture is thoughtfully chosen, not just for its looks, but for its utility as well. Think light and airy spaces with a neutral color palette, natural materials, and minimalist furniture. The use of whites, grays, and earthy tones creates a serene environment, while materials like wood and stone add a touch of nature indoors. This style is all about embracing the simple things in life, so think cozy textiles, candles, and plenty of natural light. Soft throws, woolen rugs, and linen curtains add layers of warmth and texture, making the space feel inviting and lived in. Scandinavian design is about creating a space that feels warm, inviting, and perfect for those long winter nights. The strategic use of lighting, from pendant lights to floor lamps, ensures that every corner of the room is well lit, creating a cozy ambiance. In the kitchen, you'll find sleek, functional designs that make cooking a joy. Open shelving, clean lines, and efficient storage solutions are key elements. The dining area often features minimalist decor, with simple yet elegant table settings that make every meal feel special. The bedroom is a sanctuary of calm with cozy textiles and an abundance of natural light. Soft bedding, neutral tones, and uncluttered spaces create a restful environment that's perfect for relaxation. Even the bathroom in a Scandinavian home is designed with care. Minimalist fixtures, natural materials, and a focus on functionality make it a space where you can unwind and rejuvenate. For those who work from home, a Scandinavian home office offers a productive yet serene environment. Functional furniture, ample natural light, and a clutter-free workspace help you stay focused and inspired. Don't forget the outdoor spaces. Scandinavian design extends to balconies, patios, and gardens, where cozy seating and natural elements create a perfect retreat for enjoying the fresh air. Finally, personal touches are what make a Scandinavian home truly unique. Family photos, art pieces, and cherished mementos add character and warmth, making the space feel truly yours. In essence, Scandinavian design is about creating a harmonious balance between form and function. It's a style that celebrates simplicity, comfort, and the beauty of everyday life. Whether you're looking to redesign your entire home or just add a few Scandinavian touches, remember that the key is to keep it simple, functional, and cozy. Traditional design is all about classic elegance and sophistication. Think rich colors, ornate details, and luxurious fabrics. This style is all about creating a sense of history and tradition. So think antique furniture, Persian rugs, and oil paintings. Symmetry is key here, so think balanced furniture arrangements and paired accessories. Traditional design is about creating a space that feels grand, elegant, and timeless. Chapter 8. Transitional design is all about blending the best of traditional and contemporary styles. It's about creating a space that feels both classic and modern. Think neutral color palettes with pops of color, clean lines with a mix of textures, and a balance of old and new pieces. This style is all about creating a space that feels comfortable, inviting, and timeless. Chapter 9. Rustic design is all about bringing the outdoors in. It's about creating a space that feels warm, inviting, and connected to nature. Think natural materials like wood, stone, and leather, earthy colors, and cozy textiles. This style is all about embracing imperfection, so think reclaimed wood, vintage finds, and handmade pieces. Rustic design is about creating a space that feels comfortable, relaxed, and full of character. Chapter 10. Bohemian design is all about embracing the eclectic and expressing your unique personality. Think vibrant colors, bold patterns, and a mix of textures. This style is all about layering, so don't be afraid to mix and match different patterns, colors, and styles. Think vintage finds, travel souvenirs, and handmade pieces. Bohemian design is about creating a space that feels personal, eclectic, and full of life. Thanks for joining me on this design adventure. I hope you feel inspired to explore different interior design styles and find the one that speaks to you. Remember, your home should be a reflection of your personality and style. Don't be afraid to experiment and have fun with it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more design inspiration.